good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Winter Haven, Florida. Baking Donuts Plus. Saw some good reviews about this place. Kind of was feeling like something sweet was needed, so we're gonna go in this side and try out a donut or two. Why not? All right, let's go make some memories.
Okay, so we had half a dozen donuts, and we got the mix. We got 3 of the cakes. One was blueberry, strawberry, pumpkin, and then Boston cream, which she seemed like she filled at the moment. Tutti Frutti, that for the little one, she really wants that one, and lemon. So she's gonna try the Tutti Frutti, and we're gonna split one of the other ones and try it out.
Somehow we ended up with a Fruit Loop in our box.
Yum, bonus. Ooh, it has a crunch. You heard the crunch? Yum, yum, yum. Is it milky yummy?
It kind of tastes like if you ate like a bowl of Fruity Pebbles.
On a donut? Okay.
Alright, so we're not going to try all 6 of them now, obviously. We're not about to eat 6 donuts, but we did get the strawberry one. That's the one we decided to share. That's pretty good.
It tastes like strawberry milk, right?
Yeah. Look at that glaze on the outside.
I wouldn't say it's ridiculously sweet either, right?
These are pretty good.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, the pumpkin and the blueberry are going to be similar, just obviously different flavors instead of strawberry. The Boston cream and the lemon.
We might have to try those later and add it in.
Yeah, either that or I'll leave it in the comments down below. If you're in Winter Haven, this place is definitely worth a stop. See, that guy even agreed right there. He's honking about it because he's pointing and honking. They sell these glazed donuts like this. They're $1. They sell the other ones, I think, are $1.25 or $1.50 each, something like that. But definitely worth a stop to try one of these donuts. They're very good. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button down below. Leave us a comment down below. Is there any other donut places we need to stop at? If you haven't seen our Donut King video, I'm going to put the link to that right now. To me, those are Central Florida's best donuts. I would say these might be second place. I'll let you know after I try the other ones. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. As always, guys, see you soon.